So part of the thing about the job I do is that I get access to cars, and cars that I happen to find interesting. So I thought I'd start sharing a few of them with you as they pop up. And the one behind me is one of them. Now, yes, it is a Kia Forte, but there is something special about this particular one. This is a Kia Forte GT. Now, what that means, 201 horsepower, 195 foot-pounds of torque with a 1.6 liter turbocharged motor and a 6-speed manual transmission. Now, there's the reason I find this car so interesting. It has a 6-speed manual in a 4-door sedan. There it is. And I just really like this. Now, it also has Harman Kardon, it has navigation, it has heated seats, it has leather, and it's just a really cool little car. 18-inch wheels, of course. Now, the 0 to 60 time is a little on the slow side, but for a little sports sedan, this is just pretty cool. And it happens to be one of my favorites. I've always kind of liked the look of this, and I think it has to do with something very specific with Kia. And that is, if you look carefully at the styling, looks a little like Audi, doesn't it? Well, that's because Audi's designers at one point moved over to work for Kia. Basically, Kia took a lot of Audi's designers, and the result is a lot of their cars got really good looking, and this is one of them. And unfortunately, they replaced the Kia Forte with the K4, which is not one of my favorite cars. I actually think it looks rather ugly. But this one, with the sports suspension, with the 4 doors, the leather seats, the twin exhaust, the GT badging, the 6-speed manual, it just really works. And if you're looking for a little sports sedan to go around town, this is probably the perfect one to do it. Very comfortable in the back seat too, even. So there you go. Lots of room, rear air vents, leather seats in the back as well. You have a sunroof right there. And then you get up front and you have even more space. This is just very, very nice. You have a flat bottom steering wheel right here with GT badge. All your controls right here, the new Kia logo. And it's just a nice, comfortable car. There's your navigation, your 6-speed manual gearbox. Just really, really cool. And everything you need right up here, including Sirius XM, services, FM radio, AM radio, you name it. It's all right there. Just overall, very, very comfortable. I could see myself driving this. Even has a sport button down here, which gives you some pops, actually. Rather impressive. I like that. And if you look under the hood, there's that 1.6 GDI turbo. Like I said, 201 horsepower, 195 pound-feet of torque. Not very torquey as far as 4 cylinders go, but overall, it just works. And the color is really cool too. I really like this red color. So overall, just a cool little sports sedan, even one I wouldn't mind owning. In fact, if I had the money to do it, I'd probably be taking this one home as well to join my Mini in the driveway. But I hope you enjoyed this little walk around of the Kia Forte GT. If you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.